Right, next exciting piece we've got to show you is how to fit the canopy. I'm in the Sling factory, and I've got all the bits for the canopy kit that's just arrived. We've unpacked it, checked the stock, we've got everything. Got a low table here to work on, and as usual, good lighting, etc. So to fit the canopy properly, the first thing we've got to do is fit the instrument panel, and to fit this guy. I'm going to run through this quickly to show you what needs to be done. First thing you have to do is prepare it properly. What you've got to do is you've got to sand off these little rough patches, and inside this little lip over here you'll feel there's little pieces which need some cleaning away. That, for instance, needs to be cleaned away. This rough edge can be sanded all the way along. Those rough pieces inside there need to be taken off all the way along in order for the panel face to fit properly. You then take the panel face which you've received, you fit the panel face inside here, drill the holes through for where the little screws, the mounting screws, get fitted, and fit riv nuts all the way around, the M4 riv nuts. I think there's about 12 riv nuts in total. So you've now fitted the panel face inside the instrument panel. The next thing you do is you drill the holes in this round section here and in this round section here to fit the air vents, these guys. So they fit in there and in there. So the size of the hole saw that you need to use here is 76 millimeters. 76 millimeters is 3 inches. You very carefully mark out the center for the hole saw, drill a hole, and then cut, using the hole saw, cut the hole so that you can put this guy in place over there. Next thing you do, you drill the hole here. The fuel selector valve gets fitted in this area. So what you do, you should do a fuel selector valve complete fitment with all the holes drilled and so on, so that you don't have to start drilling after this panel has been painted. When you paint this front instrument panel, do not paint this piece here. The reason for that is quite simply is because the windscreen gets glued onto the front here. It gets stuck, it gets attached with some screws, but also mostly it gets glued on, and you don't want paint in between. Then once it's painted, we mount it in the airframe.